Tired of guessing what your insurance will actually cost? Here's how to take advantage of Next Insurance transparent, real-time pricing system and only pay for what you actually need. Start by clicking the link in the description to get your quote. Once you've entered your business info, Next shows you a real-time quote based on your industry, size, and risk profile. From there, you can customize everything. Increase or lower your coverage limits, choose a higher or lower deductible, add or remove extra policies like workers' comp or cyber liability. And here's the best part. Your price updates instantly on the screen as you make changes. There's no hidden math, no surprises, just full transparency on what you're getting and what you're paying. Click the link in the description to try it for yourself. Get a live quote, build your policy your way, and see exactly how much you'll pay before you commit. That's the power of Next Insurance transparent pricing.